It's Dragon. I found my face cam again, so I'm pretty happy. I know it's been a few days since I haven't been on, just because I'm busy and stuff, you know. I have an alley cat. I found her a few months ago. I didn't want to bring her up because I thought it would be fun, but apparently she's a bitch. She is a demon from hell. And this is serious because she bit me and attacks me every time I come in here. So, yeah. Let's see if we can get her and introduce her. Come here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Aww, good kitty, kitty. Come here, look. Yeah. Well, well, this is Phantom. She's a little shit cat of mine. Say hi, Phantom. Yeah, she says hi. Well, as you can see, I found my face paint and I got a top hat. Well, anyway, the question of the day, some other questions I've kind of passed out. Have you ever had an animal that you wish you could just hit with a car because they attack you? Well, mine right now is my cat, because she's a real bitch to me. Because I take good care of her. I pay my own money for her, but anyway, that's besides the point. I got something cool to show you. Let's see if we can find it. I kind of cleaned my garage a few days ago, so I'm sure if I'm able to find it again. So let's see if we can find it. I think I've said that so many times. What? What do you want? Okay, good, you're quiet. Anyway. That wasn't a big fail. Okay, let's try this again. I got an arrow. That's not what I wanted to show you. That's close enough. Let's see if we can find it. Shit in here. I got dice. I got my Halloween box. I got a dead zone. Got glow in the dark paint. I'm walking around in circles. I got a tiny garage. Oh, there she is. No, that's not it. Apparently she's in my room. That's the last place I'd see her, I guess. You guys are gonna think I'm a murderer after this. I don't mind. Everyone thinks I'm a psycho. Jack. There's Jack. This is my room. Awesomeness. Okay. I got a new box from Nathan. See? Got new stuff. I got my new stuff. But that is not what I wanted to show you guys. I am a psychomaniac. And you know what? I'm happy about it. And just move all my art stuff here. Move the axes. Joke. What's not a joke is my best friend. He is a real human skull. That's my other question for the day. Do you have a best friend? Is it alive or dead? Or an animal or anything? Hi, Lucy. Well, that's the time we got for all today. Say bye.